Today on Dave's Workshop, we're going to do a basic skill builder. We're going to show you how to use a standard compression end on a Category 6 video coaxial cable. To accomplish this, we're going to use the Paladin Tools Data Shark CATV tool set. As far as the materials go, we're going to use these standard compression fittings that I got on Amazon.com. I'll give you the link to the coaxial cable, the data tool set, and the coax ends down below. Let's get started. First things first, I always like to start with a clean cable end. You never know how the cut was done. Here, I can actually feel the center conductor is proud of the jacket, and it's also cut at an angle. We don't want that, we want it straight. We're going to take the cable cutter end, and we're just going to make sure that our cut is straight. Cut it straight across. That ensures that our end is nice and square, and of course to the length we want. The stripping tool has an arrow that indicates the rotation direction. We've also got two stepped holes with cutters in them. Be very careful, don't stick your finger in there. Open the jaw, insert the cable with the jacket all the way flush with the end of the cutter, and rotate the cutter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Open the cutter, withdraw the jacket, the outer shields, and the insulator, so you only have a center conductor left in the middle. Then you move, same thing, but to the inner hole here. Slide the cable in, the jacket of the cable to the end of the hole. What that does is that ensures that our cuts leave us with the industry standard 1/4 inch relief, about 6.5 millimeters for those of you that speak metric. Now, here on the second hole, we're only going to turn once or twice. We don't want to overcut, but we want to make sure the jacket is properly scored. Again, open the jaws by pressing on the end. And I probably could have gone with a third turn on that one, but okay, we have the jacket removed. The reason we don't want to overscore that is because we don't want to cut these little wires that are the outer shield. This is double shielded, so you have an outer and an inner shielding. You want to pull back the outer shield wires and lay them back over the jacket of the coaxial cable, being sure to leave the foil on the white inner jacket. Okay, with that done, you take your cable, insert it into your fitting. If you can see that inner barrel on the fitting, that sleeve has to slide up into that inner barrel. So we kind of jiggle it a little. And we're going to push until the center conductor is just flush with the outer ring of the nut. Some people like to have that center conductor slightly proud. That is not correct, but it works in most cases. Okay, now we're going to use the compression tool. You'll see the anvil on the compression tool has a hole. That hole is what the center conductor lines up to. I don't know if you can see how I'm inserting that, but you've got the barrel here, that's the anvil, and there's the stop, and we just simply make sure it's lined up and we start squeezing. Okay, squeeze all the way, don't be shy, you're not going to hurt it. Squeeze all the way till the tool stops, let go, and remove. You can lock your tool, put it away, and now we have a completed terminal end. We've already done this on the other side, so now we have a completed RG6 video cable. This one is most likely going to end up as the jumper between the wall and the TV in the guest bedroom. Where you're going to put yours is anyone's guess. There is something I wanted to bring to your attention. Make absolutely certain you are using the correct type of cable with your fittings. There are different kinds of video coaxial cable. We are talking about RG6 here, which is the current standard. There are old standards that are RG6U, which is this cable. This one was removed. It'll work if it had both ends, but the end that was on this side was corroded and wouldn't carry signal. If you can see, well, I'll bring the cables up to you a little more. You can see that's the RG6, that's the RG6U. And if you see, I don't know if you can tell that in the video, but the RG6U is considerably larger, including the center conductor shield. Now let's show you on the RG6U. We're going to try to push the RG6U into an RG6 fitting. You wiggle it in, and it just won't go. We simply cannot compress this fitting onto this cable. So make absolutely certain you're using the right cable with the right fitting. There are RG6U fittings. This kit will work with RG6U fittings, but we don't happen to have them. So that cable is honestly a waste. The manufacturer of the fittings we're using is PPC Innovative Connect. I can't tell you who made the RG6 cable. The bulk RG6 cable that we have is Southwire. They're both 18 AWG wired. So this cable and the bulk box that we've got match. And again, the toolkit we used is a Paladin Data Shark CATV toolkit. Okay, that's it. We're done. Hopefully you learned a little something from my demonstration. And, well, I'm hoping that you guys will get out to your shops, get busy, get productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. If you like what we're doing, make sure that you click like and subscribe. We'd like to hear from you, so if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them down in the comments box below. Thanks, and have a great day.